Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing all the motivation and inspiration to help try and kickstart your day. This is your quote for today. Every day is a chance to change your life. Good morning, world. Welcome to a brand new day for us all. We have another chance to put right any of the wrongs that we might have done yesterday. If you didn't get a chance to start something brand new yesterday, then how about starting it today? It's the perfect time to get yourself going and the chance that you've been waiting for. Another chance, just for you. Make the most of it. You might not get it again.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.